Hi guys, in this video we will see how to apply and use newly introduced Windows 11 feature Screen Tint. A Screen Tint, a new feature introduced through this Windows latest update. A Screen Tint gives your eyes a break and magnifier gets easier to control. Simply right click on it and choose Settings. Here from the left side, go to go to Accessibility. Here scroll down and you will find a option a Screen Tint. Add a suitable color overlay to make your screen more comfortable to view. Simply click on it. Tint color, 7 color available here for your tint. Turn it on and you can see various type of tint color available in this newly released Windows update. You can also custom tint, view colors, a lot of colors available here. Simply choose here a strength. Also you can drag the slider from left to right to keep its stain. So this is an important feature added through Windows latest update in this month.